You're gonna love the 2018 Chevrolet Corvette. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Corvette Grand Sport brings driver-centered comfort and refinement to a competitive street-legal race car. Its aggressive power and agility mesh with state-of-the-art customizable driving technology to create a unique and elevated driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Live like you mean it. Drive like you've dreamed it. The Corvette Grand Sport.